Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University. School of Agriculture, SOA. Awareness Program on Value-Added Products from Fruits and Vegetables, APVPFV. NPV 001. Module 7 Marketing of Fresh Fruits and Vegetables and Their Processed Products, 1.0 Introduction. The popularity of vegetarian food not only in India but also in Western countries makes the fruit and vegetable sector more important nowadays. A well-planned marketing strategy and adoption of better post-harvest practices like sorting, grading, washing, trimming, attractive and protective packaging will help in increasing the sales realization, thus better income to the growers. Three basics of marketing are assembling of produce, primary processing and distribution. Marketing systems and strategies for fresh fruit and vegetables and their processed products are different depending on their nature and perishability, which are discussed below. Fresh fruit and vegetables. You know that fresh fruit and vegetables are highly perishable in nature, and if not sold within a specified period after harvesting, can result into very low or even zero realization. Hence, the marketing of fresh fruit and vegetables needs to be planned well before harvesting of the produce. Successfully marketing of fresh horticultural produce begins with production of a quality product and requires careful attention to the details involved in post-harvest handling, which protects quality, nutritive value, economic value and ensures food safety. By now you might know about various post-harvest handling methods, most suitable methods depending upon need of commodity, cost of technology, available market outlets and the desired level of involvement of the marketer can be chosen to protect the value of fresh produce and improve returns. Processed fruit and vegetable products. There are several methods of preservation of fruits and vegetables into many value-added products, which has already been discussed in Module 4. Is it possible to sell a processed product without any brand name? No, it is quite impossible. The major trade of processed products is in the hands of well-organized sector where branding plays the important role. Marketing process of processed fruit and vegetable products is similar to any other fast-moving consumable goods, FMCG. The manufacturing units either market their products through their own marketing infrastructure or small manufacturing unit which can not afford the independent marketing infrastructure appoint the companies having expertise in marketing as their sole selling agents. The products manufactured by processes are marketed by different companies. 2.0 Objectives. After studying this unit you will be able to prepare the fresh fruit and vegetables for market, minimize the post-harvest losses, national loss, and realize more money by marketing of fresh fruit and vegetables. Create awareness among the farmers for collective marketing of farm produce to maximize the farmer's share in consumer price. Explain the process for value addition in fresh fruit and vegetable products by processing them in order to match the market demand, and describe the process of direct linkage of producer and consumer marketing. Channel 3.0 Marketing of fresh fruit and vegetable and their processed products. 3.1 Marketing commodities. 3.1.1 Fresh fruits and vegetables. At present, major trade of fresh fruit and vegetables is unorganized and operates through commission agents of state government regulated wholesale markets. The grower voluntarily consigns his produce to a commission agent who then auctions it on the grower's behalf, retaining only the legally specified commission. Most of the regulated markets have earmarked separate shades for farmers. Apni mandis has also been established at certain towns situated near production areas, where farmers can bring and sell their own produce directly to end consumers. Transformation of fresh fruit and vegetable marketing from unorganized to organized sector is still in its infancy in our country, and in this case the farmers can sell their produce directly to consumers through various NGOs. Public limited companies like Mother Dairy Fruit and Vegetable Units Safal outlets in Delhi. Processed products are sold to end consumers through well-organized marketing infrastructure involving company-owned depots, distributors, wholesalers and retailers like other factory-made FMCG products. Brand establishment and brand image in market plays an important role in case of processed fruit and vegetable products. Some of the well-established brands in the market are Kissan, Safal, and tops etc. 3.2 Why marketing? Presently the post-harvest losses in fresh fruit and vegetables are estimated around 30%, which may be attributed to poor post-harvest and marketing practices. These practices include sorting, grading, packaging, transport etc., as well as multi-stage marketing, which results into delay in the reaching the fresh fruit and vegetables to the ultimate consumer. These delay further results in the value reduction. Efficient and effective post-harvest handling and well-planned marketing of fresh fruit and vegetables have direct positive impact on the final realization of fresh fruit and vegetables. 3.2.1 Income and employment generation for rural youth, meaning and methods. The most burning issue of unemployment can be resolved to a greater extent if rural youth can be motivated to get involved in the progressive farming and marketing of fresh fruit and vegetables rather than running towards cities. Growing and marketing of quality fresh fruit and vegetables can generate income much better than what they earn in the cities. 3.2.2 Rural employment. Growing and marketing of fresh fruit and vegetables can generate employment for rural youth, but there are certain limitations which include small average land holding 2.5 hectare, farmer. Mechanization is economically unviable for small land holdings, whereas vegetable cultivation is a labor-intensive program involving field preparation, field sowing, seeding, planting, irrigation, harvesting etc., which can generate employment. 3.2.3 Higher income generation. Fruit and vegetable cultivation is more income generating source as compared to any other crop per unit area to the farmers. You will better understand this by the table given below. Look at the screen. Point 3 Must for marketing effective and efficient post-harvest tools. Minimizing post-harvest losses during harvesting to marketing would result in better realization to the farmers. You have already studied the prevention of post-harvest losses in Module 2. The following tools may be adopted to minimize the post-harvest losses in fruit and vegetables. 1. Selection of right variety, season, location and crop specific. 2. Adoption of recommended agronomic and plant protection practices. 3. Harvesting at right maturity stage. 4. Handling of produce gently after harvesting at all the stages. 5. Adopting suitable harvesting tools. A. Cutter, knife. B. Mango nipper. C. Use of crates, plastic buckets etc. 6. Storage under shade after harvesting. Do not expose to direct sunlight. 7. Sorting, grading at field level. 8. Using wet jute cloth in case of leafy vegetables. 9. Use of proper packaging material for further transportation. A. Plastic crates, wooden boxes, corrugated fiberboard cartons, gunny bags, pulley, bamboo basket, etc. 10. Use of proper transport. A. Fast-moving vehicles. B. Covered vehicles. C. Refrigerated, insulated vehicles. 3.4 Methods of marketing. 3.4.1 What is market? Market is a place where sellers are situated and buyers come and exchange good for money at right place, right time, right quality, right quantity and right price. I. Wholesale and retail fruit and vegetable markets, i.e. fruit and vegetable mandi and retail shop, outlets. 3.4.2 Marketing. A. Identification of needs and wants of the customers and satisfy them in order that they want to, i.e. quality, quantity, pack size, price, delivery etc. B. Following combination of basic elements needs to be considered for the formulation of effective marketing strategy, which is called marketing mix or